Everyone, and welcome to Driven Mad.
So we're back to the final part of our skid plate installation. When it comes from the factory, this is naked. It's not. So I've Raptor coated it. I've just done an emergency quick spray because I didn't realise it had two brackets attached to it. So they're sort of visible. So I've given them a quick spray, not Raptor. Might do that at a later date. But this has had a couple of coats of Raptor on there. Stay.
So the first thing we're going to have to do, by the looks of it, is actually install these brackets to the skid plate before we put it on the car. So we'll flip it over and get them bolted on.
Okay, let's do it.
We've got the first set. The bolts that hold these on don't have a crush washer on them, just a regular washer. So nice. Nice, right, they are certainly on there. So now we have put our two brackets on, we'll whack it up onto the motor. Got these little metal spacers that go on the top as well, you can see there. Oh, hey, it goes through exactly one hole and it went through it.
And they look like, whether that'll focus, but they're open-ended, and we've done a check and it says open end at the top. So there we are.
Slide the screw. So we're not going to Loctite this because to do oil changes and things, we're going to have to take this off.
We'll take it off.
One eternity later. I think we'll have to slot the front in first and then come back. I've got it, so if you...
it's not going anywhere.
No, yours is just there. Right, so now we're going to try and line this all up.
Ooh. Right. I've had some movement.
Yes, I had to move to get in.
So now I've had my... that's it.
Right, so we're now putting another washer in here, into the centre ones.
That'll do.
I appear to be in too.
And last but not least, oh, these have got washers on them. Cool.
I think I'll gently just try mine.
These aren't going to be easy.
Oh yeah, they're perfectly lined up.
No, I mean getting the old doofer in.
So now on the front, we've got two more, which, we probably should have put them in first, shouldn't we?
Yeah.
Definitely should have put them in first.
That's what I was getting at. I've lost mine.
And me too.
Elementary.
Elementary error. Put all the rubber grommets in first, everyone.
Yeah.
Do that first. Definitely do that first.
Right, it's the rubber grommet race.
Use that to poke it if you can.
Hang on, I'd have to find it now. Oh, it's down here. Oh, no. Where do you go, you bugger? Mine's done a runner.
Is it?
Oh, there it is.
I'm in.
Are you?
Oh, serious bit of finger
action.
Finger flex there, but
I knew snapping this off would come in handy.
Yeah.
Hey.
You there?
I am. But I can't feel a hole.
No, me neither.
For love nor money.
Nope. Oh, look there.
They look at a very strange angle. Don't take this off very often.
Oh, I mean,
Are you?
yeah. If you push up, and it is at an angle, isn't it?
Oh, I thought I was in there.
I'll give that a push. Maybe it is. Oh, I think so. Snug it all the way up.
We can go around for a final check.
We want to go too nuts. Now with this big screwdriver, I don't think we want a big
Screwdriver?
this big socket.
Nuts, screws. People are always moaning that you always say
the wrong things.
nut
I
instead
do a
of
lot.
screw.
A lot of the time I do, but this is a big boy, so I'm not going to go too mental cranking down on these. The crush washers should be enough.
What size is it?
It's a 13, but I'm nearly there. Right, so what do you think? Do you like it?
So the ASFIR skiddies are on.
They're on. That was a nice and fairly simple.
No,
easy
the whole
install.
thing was very simple
Yeah.
actually. We've done it in 3 parts.
Yes, but we've actually only done this in what? It's all just been sort of a morning job, hasn't it? It's not
Yeah,
been
it's
that
not
long
even
at
that,
all.
no.
So yeah, really happy with this, and they're
And I
certainly.
mean, they are
they're beefy.
properly
buggers.
beefy.
Yeah. No, they look the part. They should do the business, and the most important question is, are you happy with them?
Deliriously happy.
Well, that's all that matters then. So yeah, fantastic. So if you enjoyed the series, like, comment and subscribe,
Yes.
and hopefully we've helped you.
There will be a link to the skid plate manufacturer.
Yes, there will be. ASFIR.
Yeah,
as we say.
because they really are beefy bits
Yeah,
of kit.
really good bits of kit. So please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.